Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal balance into your bank account. First, log in to your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Money section on your dashboard. From there, you will find an option clearly labeled Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds. Click on this to begin the process of moving your funds. This is the essential first step to accessing your money. Next, you'll need to select where your money is going. Choose the bank account you've already linked to your PayPal profile. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to do that first. Then, carefully enter the exact amount of money you want to transfer. Double-check that this amount is available in your current PayPal balance to avoid any issues. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transfer details. Make sure the amount you entered is correct and that the chosen bank account is the one you intend to use. This is a crucial step to prevent any errors. Once you are completely satisfied with the information, click the Transfer or Confirm button to submit your request. After confirming, your money is on its way. Standard transfers to your bank account usually take between 1 and 3 business days to complete. If you need the funds sooner, PayPal offers an instant transfer option, which typically processes within 30 minutes. Please note that instant transfers usually involve a small fee, often around 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.